Morning students, today we are discussing the topic is 9th chapter geometry. 9th chapter geometry. Do you know consensus box? In the consensus box we have what we have? Protractor and equator. Next, circular, scales, divider. Okay. These all things are there in your consensus, right? Like that. So, in that all instruments are used in the geometry. Okay. In the geometry, we are in your class, we will learn some things. That is point, line, ray, next line segments. Okay. Let's start the class. Let's see your page number 108. The first one is point. We will learn about the point now. Point. A point is the smallest shape in geometry. What is the point? Point is its smallest shape. So how to do it? This is a point. The smallest shape in the geometry. It is represented on paper by a dot. Okay, it is represented by the board on a dot. Okay, it has neither length nor breadth. So it doesn't have a what? It doesn't have length and breadth. It's just a dot. It doesn't have length, breadth, right? It's just a dot. It is named by a capital letter of the English alphabet. For example, A, B and C are points. A, B, C. Okay. Let's take a point and this put a point A and take another point B. Take another point C. In this line, take one line. Take a 3 point. This is a point, this is point, this is point. So this point is A, this point is B, this point is C. So those are the points. This point have any length and breadth? No. This point have any length and breadth? No. Just point means just a dot. Dot is a point. Let's see line segment. Let's see a line segment. Suppose A and B are 2 points. There can be many ways to reach A to B or B to A. Suppose you should take A and B points. Okay. However, it will coincide, right? It will mean however. A line, that means like this. It will reach however, like this. Okay. See, it reaches A to B or B to A. It reaches, for example, take this point A and take this point B. It reaches from like this way, and like B to A, this way. Okay, however it reaches. But the shortest path is the straight path. Line segment means the shortest path is the straight path that joins A and B. That joins A and B. Shortest path means this is a long way. This is also a long way. This is a straight and short way. Okay. This measurement is very less than this measurements. Okay, this is a long way. The short way is straight way. A to B or B to A. Okay. So the shortest way is A to B is straight line. Okay. The straight path from A to B is called line segment. So what is line segment? This is the straight line is the line segment. This is line segment. the line segment AB denoted by. How to represent this line segment AB? AB bar. How to read? AB bar. How to read this line segment? AB bar. Let's see. A and B are the end points of the line segment. So this line is completed from A to B. That's it. So it's completed A to B. That's why we wrote this A to B bar. Okay, how to read this line? AB bar. AB bar. Let's see. Next one is line. What is this? Line. Let's see. A line is a straight path. Line is a straight path like this, which extends endless in both sides. Which extends endless. For example, if you are take this, can you drag this from this side and this side? No, we can't, because we have endpoints. We have two endpoints in this line. But this line have no ending part. We can extend we can extend this line from this side and this side, both sides. We can extend. Okay, we want to extend some extra place. You can extend. Okay, you can extend some more centimeters above. You can extend. Okay, that is line. Line means a line is a straight path which extends endless. Endless means no stopping lines, no full stop is there in this line. So we can extend both sides endless. Okay, let's see. The line segment has two endpoints. So the line segment has two endpoints, whereas a line has no endpoints. Line has any endpoints? No endpoints. So we can extend as you wish. Through two given points, one and only one line can be drawn. Let's see. Ray. What's the next one? Ray. And what is ray? Ray means a straight path which extends endlessly in one direction. A straight path which extends endlessly. Okay. For example, take a point. Okay, this is a ray. Take a point which extends endless in one path. Which extends endless in one path. So, in one side we have a point which extends in only one path. That is this path. Okay. So we can extend it any place. Okay. This is ray. The ray means which can extend endless. Okay. In one direction only, it is called a ray. It has only one end point called initial point. It has only one point. We already discussed. So this point is called initial point. Initial point. What is this? This is initial point. Okay? This is the another path. We can extend this path. Next see. What is this? Curved line. What next? Curved line. You all know about curved lines. Curved lines cannot drawn with the help of a scale. Curved lines we cannot draw because it's not a straight line. Okay, if you are use the scale, you will get a straight lines. Okay, so this curved lines we can't draw. It looks like this. that is curves. Okay, for example, you take a thread and hold it with your hands tightly, you will get a straight line. If you are loosely hold it, you will get a curved lines. Okay, so that is curved line. So understood all of you? So children, we have learned today's class point, line segment, line, ray and curved lines. Once all of you read your textbook and practice once this points, and what is point, what is line segment, what is line, what is ray and what is curved line. Once all of you read and observe that figures also. Okay, now we will continue this class in the next video. Thank you children.